Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope I'm looking in the right camera thing. Okay, anyways, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you guys with me to clean out my pantry and get it organized. So I'm wearing this hat because my hair looks a mess. I haven't done it, just took some braids out. But anyways, so if you all didn't get a chance to check out my get to know me video, it's a really short video, just basically guys letting you know that I'm on YouTube and I'm a newbie, fresh to YouTube. Don't even have like the fancy recording equipment, nothing like that. My husband and I, we purchased our first home back in late November, basically almost December. And I was 8 months pregnant at the time, gave birth to our son in January. So we haven't really had time to do anything with our house. I mean, like organize it, have it like I want it, clean it, anything like that. So now we're just now starting to get into that. And I'm also having some things renovated, changed around in our house. We didn't have it built. We ended up purchasing an already built home. So I'll talk about all of that in a later video, let you guys meet my husband, William, and our son, William Jr. He's our first child. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can see behind me, I'm in my pantry. Not the biggest pantry, but it's a good size for us. You know, got all type of stuff back here. And also in this video, I'm going to be using some affordable products. I love the Container Store. It's great to me, but everybody doesn't have a Container Store like we don't in my city. I'm in Birmingham, Alabama. So I just did different things. Home Goods is a great store to get things from. Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Walmart. So you can basically go to any store and organize things how you want. So my first step, I'm going to, of course, clear out the pantry. Get it all straightened out, sweep down everything, and then start organizing and restocking. So just to show you guys, I had my husband put in this plastic bag holder. I don't know if you guys keep plastic bags, but we do over here. We recycle them, use them for whatever. And yeah, so this is it. Got the Swiffer in the back. Let's see here. Yep, just bags on the floor, you know, Tupperware, extra glasses. All right, so let's get started. Okay, first thing I'm doing is just putting those plastic bags that were on the floor, as many of them as I can, in this white container that my husband got for me. And I ordered this off of Amazon. I will link in the description box the items I used if I can find all the links. I ordered things from Amazon, and I got other items from Dollar General and Target. Okay, now I'm just gonna clean out the rest of the pantry. I'm gonna get my Tupperware out and start clearing out the rest of the items that are on the shelves and all on the floor. Here I decided to keep my wine glasses and some extra glasses we had from when we got married. They were gifts. I'm probably gonna end up putting those in the cabinet with all the other glasses. We end up getting a lot of those. So I'm just going to decide how I want to have it. I think I'm gonna do what I had it before, like the cereal at the top and then sauces and juices at the bottom, and work my way down. Yeah, so just gonna get ready to do that. So here are the acrylic containers. I will link them in the description box below. But those letters I put on there, I made those myself, and I do sell them in my new Etsy store. So I will link that in the description box. So come check your girl out and support, please. So I did end up getting a few of these from Amazon to use. But yeah, here is the finished project. I think I want to add a Lazy Susan to it, but other than that, I think it came out good. So thank you all for watching. I hope this was motivation to get in there and clean out your pantries or cabinets, which I'm going to end up doing a video of that as well. And so here is the finished project, and again, check out my Etsy store, please, and see you all in the next video.